What's up guys, welcome to another video for today. So on today's video we will be doing something very different, and this is going to be basically a series part of a videos. This is just going to be a small introduction of this video. So on this video what we'll be doing is actually opening up our trading account. So what's going to happen on this video is basically I'm just going to be showing you at the overlay of the trading of the platform that I'm going to be sharing with you, the trading broker obviously that I will be sharing with you. And then from there I will be doing a follow-up video on this particular platform, which is called OKEx. Link will be in the description. Just click the link to sign up, and then I will be following up with a part 2, part 3, and part 4. So this video series will be divided into 5 parts. The first part obviously is me just going over the layout and the feel of the platform, and then the second one would be starting to deposit and actually setting up your trading account. And then with part 4 we're looking at part 3. I mean, it's me actually taking my first trade on the account live for y'all to actually see how to actually start taking trades and when to take a trade and stuff like that. Just an example of me actually taking a trade. And then on the fourth part I will be showing you how to actually earn free Bitcoin through OKEx. And the fifth part basically will be all about OKEx blockchain, the coin, and etc, stuff like that. So let's just get started with today's video. With today's video, I'm just going to be showing you basically the overlay of OKEx trading platform. Why I chose OKEx first of all. OKEx, I've looked into other different brokers, or should I say different other trading platforms, and there was something that OKEx stood out about me, because where I am located at in Africa, in South Africa, OKEx I would say is much more of value to me. Because why? It has a lot of it has a lot of features. First of all, let's just look at through the features. This is, once you have opened your account, you basically gonna have um this is the home screen. So basically this is the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, you will see OKEx, then you will see your buy and sell, which is your normal buy and sell, not actually going into the market. There's the market right here, and then we have trade. We have different types of trade. If you want to start trading, these are all different types of trade. I will be going through each and every one of them on a later video, explaining how it works and how to actually do trade on these different types of features. Like we got spot, we got perpetuals, we got futures, we got options. This obviously is your test net, which will be very beneficial to a lot of people who are out there who are still trying to get their feet into actual trading. They can actually use that, but we're still going to discuss further exactly how to actually use it, and basically how to use it, just to get an understanding. Over here we have finance, we have how to earn more cryptocurrency. Loan, you can actually get a loan if you own some bitcoins or some other cryptocurrency on this platform. You can also get a loan with in regards of how much cryptocurrency you have in your account. Jumpstart, we're still going to look at all these things basically, and all those pool wallets, the OKEx cloud. We're still going to go into details onto each and every one of them on the upcoming videos. And then over here you have your assets. These are your assets, such as your assets are your basically are the coins that you hold in your wallet. Whatever coins you hold in your wallet will basically reflect here. Whatever coin that you hold, everything will be reflecting down here. So as soon as you open an account, obviously you have nothing, so it will look similar to mine, and then from there you can choose to make a deposit of whichever cryptocurrency you so wish to make a deposit of. But these are all the tokens that are available that you can actually buy and keep onto your wallet. And you have your deposit, your withdrawal, your transfer, your trading fees, which is something also very important. Every trader should actually take the time and actually look into trading fees before actually start trading, because some platforms you do pay a whole lot of fees just on trading. On every trade you're actually paying a fee, and you end up paying a whole lot of money just on fees. So you actually need to understand the platform that you're trading in and the volume of or the volume that you're actually trading every month, because sometimes it will also differ with the volume that you're trading every month. So we actually need to look at that in a much more detailed perspective to actually understand exactly how much are we paying every month on fees. And verification, the only thing you need to open this account, you only need your email address and your name and surname. Once you have done that, and then you just go to over here to verify your account. Once you here, you can just go to verification, verify your account by just uploading your ID number. That's level one that's level one verification. And you got level two, which is uploading your proof of address and your ID documents and so forth. But you can just enter your ID number, then you're ready to go. That's level one. So you can just start on level one, or if you want to go on level two, you can just go on level two. It's optional, everything is up to you. And once you have done that, you verify your account. You can add in your Google Authenticator, or you can just use SMS to make sure your account is well protected and stuff like that. And you can also open a sub account, but we're still going to get into that at a later stage. But for now, what I would ask from you is just sign up an account right now, so that when we start actually trading, or when I actually start explaining every step by step what this means and how you can use every feature on this platform, it will become easier for you. So make sure you sign up with the link in the description. Every sign up gets $10 worth of Bitcoin. Once they open an account and they actually start trading, then you will receive your $10 worth of Bitcoin. So make sure you sign up with my link that will be in the description. And then from there, I will see you in the next video, where we actually start looking at the trading platform into detail, looking at how to deposit, how to looking at the markets, the different markets, time frames, leverages, buy, stop, and all those sort of stuff. We're just going to be looking into details with the trading platforms, getting to understand if you're first time in cryptocurrency, if you're a first timer in cryptocurrency, or want to trade cryptocurrency for the first time. The next video, definitely you want to watch it to actually get a better understanding. So guys, link is in the description. Don't forget to hit and like the subscribe button, share to as many people as you can, and from me, I will see you in the next video.
Yes, sir, sit in the man, now sit in.